Part 2 now wants us to work out sec beta, and we've got tans and sec terms in this question. So we need something that links a tan and a sec. You may or may not remember the function that we're after. It comes from, again, yeah, let's use beta because that's what they've used. It comes from this identity here, which you should know really, really well. If we divide each term by cos squared theta, we're going to get sine squared over cos squared, which is tan squared. So I'm going to get tan squared beta plus 1. If I divide this by cos squared beta, I get 1. And if I divide this by cos squared beta, I get 1 over cos squared beta, which is sec squared beta. So this is the link, the relationship that we're looking for. Some people find this one easy to remember, some people find it easy to just get it from this. I usually just derive it from this because I can never remember where the plus 1 goes. But that's what we're after. So we're going to want to turn tan squared beta into something to do with sec squared. So tan squared beta is equal to sec squared beta take 1. So we can change this tan squared beta into sec squared beta take 1. And now we just have a function of sec. I'm going to multiply out the brackets. And move everything over to the left. We're going to have minus 9 sec beta minus 5 equals 0. And this is one of those questions where it now looks kind of like a quadratic. If I wrote this, if I said that x was equal to sec beta, we'd have 2x squared take 9x take 5 equals 0. And this factorises. It would be quite mean of the examiners to not have this factorised. It would be annoying to have to use the formula or complete the square, but it is going to factorise. If I put a 5 here, that's going to give us 10 x's, and a 1 here, that's going to give us 1x, so we can get our 9 x's if I have negative 10x and positive 1. So that tells me that x is equal to negative a half, or x is equal to 5. But x was actually sec beta, so sec beta is equal to negative a half, or sec beta is equal to 5. But just like sine and cos can't be greater or smaller than 1 or negative 1, because sec is the reciprocal of cos, that means cos can't be between minus 1 and 1. So this answer here is not a valid answer. The only valid answer for this question is that sec beta equals 5.